Hello everyone! Welcome back sa Elexhub channel. Panibagong araw na naman sa Elexhub Engineering Department, so meron na naman tayong panibagong tutorial. So in today's video, I will show you kung paano natin kokontrolin ang isang RGB LED module with an Arduino. Kung gusto nyong gumawa ng colorful lighting effects sa inyong projects, perfect ang tutorial na ito para sa inyo. So let's get started. First, ano nga ba ang RGB LED module? Ang RGB LED module ay isang special LED na nagpo-produce ng different colors by combining the three primary colors, the red, green, and blue. So unlike the RGB LED without module, ang module na ito ay may built-in resistors na, so mas madali siyang i-connect sa ating Arduino. Mayroong dalawang klase ng RGB LEDs. Meron tayong common anode, which is shared positive, controlled by grounding colors. Then meron din tayong common cathode, which is shared ground, controlled by applying voltage. So karamihan ng RGB LED modules ay gumagamit ng common cathode type, which is what we will use today. Kung makikita nyo sa module natin, negative yung nakalagay, meaning gumagamit ito ng common cathode. So let's proceed to the next part. To build this project, kakailanganin natin ng RGB LED module, ng Arduino board. You can use the Arduino Uno, the Mega, or the Nano. And then we have the jumper wires and a breadboard. So breadboard is optional kung gusto nyo lang ng better wirings. Then let's proceed to the circuit connections. So first, we connect the ground of the RGB sa ground ng Arduino, the red pin sa digital pin 9 or D9, green sa digital pin 10 or D10, and the blue pin sa digital pin 11. So the digital pins must be PMW supported, meaning it should have the tilde symbols on the Arduino board. So that's all for our circuit connections. Let's now program the Arduino and control the RGB LED. So first, buksan ang inyong Arduino IDE and type this code. So in our code, we define the red, green, and blue LED pins as 9, 10, and 11. In the setup function, we set these pins as output so the Arduino can control them. In the loop function, we change the LED colors in sequence, applying different color values with a 1-second delay between each. Then we have the set color function. This function adjusts the brightness of the red, green, and blue LEDs using the analog right to mix colors. And you can adjust the values, so makakapag-create kayo ng custom colors. So for example, gusto nyo 127 lang, meaning 50% lang yung brightness. So kapag tapos na kayo sa code, you can now upload it to your Arduino. Then we can now proceed to testing. As you can see, the LED changes color every second. The LED cycles through different colors. We have the red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, magenta, white, and off. So pwede nyong baguhin yung values sa set color to create custom colors. And that's how you control an RGB LED module with Arduino. Pwede nyo siyang gamitan for mood lighting, LED strips for room decor, indicator lights for smart projects. Kung na-enjoy nyo ang tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting projects. Kung meron kayong tanong, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Happy making!